So, Asna, 1. Sete, the big blue shark. Treble winners. Super Cup winners. 0. My baller, baby. My baller. Don't ever tell me I ain't happy when Arsenal win a game, yeah? Go back to my watch-along, mate. Go back to my watch-along. When you expect nothing, you can't be disappointed unless it is an absolute shambolic performance. 5-0 at the Etihad. Xhaka red cards. I expected a 3-1 City today. I expected nada. Guess what? At the 13th attempt in the Premier League, we have beaten Mane City, the big blue shark. Yeah, the big blue shark is a stickleback. Yeah, the big blue shark looks lost, bro. I can't lie. Anyway, I'm not going to get too hyped. It's way early. Not early tonight, but it's early into the season. I'm not going to get too hyped. I did this last season when we beat Man United and said, we're going to win the league. And we didn't win the league. So I'm not going to get too excited, but I am going to enjoy the rest of my weekend. I'm going to enjoy the next 48 hours. We've finally got that monkey off our back. And yeah, man, all in all, kind of limited them to next to nothing. Big up to everybody who watched the watch along. Appreciate it. Viewing figures are off the charts. Why are you all tuning in to see Lee happy? I thought I only got views when we lost. Profit off a loss. Come on. Big up. Vamos. Come on. Kigo Ladso from Martinelli. Nathan Ake's face is out here right now. Elephant Man settings. But listen, sub to the channel. Check out It's LB. He's already dropped the fan cam on this channel. Yeah, the Man City perspective. He's not happy, by the way. Very, very angry. So make sure you go and check out It's LB's fan cam. Kenny Ken was at the game. Make sure you check that out after this. Then Kenny, obviously at the game. Jez, Matty, then Brandon. Then we've got player ratings with me and Jez. So make sure you come and check that out as well. But yeah, make sure you are subbing to Lee Reacts as well. Link in description. And I can't believe we beat him. Like, genuinely. Like, and it's such a smash and grab, really, because, and I say smash and grab, and people go, what are you talking about? They only had 1 shot and 4 shots in target. 1 shot in target and 4 shots in total. We're talking about smash and grab. Listen, we only had 2 shots on target. We had loads of possession at times, loads of half chances. But in that first 5 minutes or first 4 minutes, yeah, like one off the line from Declan Rice, who I thought was man of the match, by the way. I don't know what you guys think. Leave it in the comment section down below. But Declan Rice, that goal line clearance in what, 2nd, 3rd, 4th minute, whatever it was, it then bounces back over. And then Nathan Ake, thank God it was Nathan Ake. Because if that's Alvarez, Foden, Haaland, whatever, yeah, that's in the back of the net. We had a bit of a touch with that. And then after that, very boring game. I can't lie. And listen, I'm going to watch the whole game back tomorrow when I wake up. Because when you're watching it and you're so invested and the adrenaline's pumping and you're angry, you're sad, you're happy, every emotion you can feel as a football fan. Like, you're looking, and then when you're streaming as well, you're reading the comments and boom, 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 and then Matty and all of it. I'm going to watch it back tomorrow, knowing the scoreline, and then I'm going to proper analyze the game. But for right now, from what I've seen, from what I've witnessed tonight, Gabriel Martinelli. I didn't even expect you to be on the bench, my friend, and you end up scoring the winner. Albeit it took a mad deflection off of Nathan Ake's face. I don't care. I don't care. How many times have Asna been on the wrong end, the receiving end of a last couple of minute goal or a stoppage time goal or a dodgy decision? Yeah, today, let me tell you right now, Kovacic straight red on Odegaard. I ain't hearing it. Yeah, I'm not one to blame refs or VAR because I think it always pans out over the season. Kovacic is a lucky boy. Lucky boy that he didn't see red twice. Should have been straight on Odegaard. Yeah, that was an ankle high dirty tackle. I don't think he meant it. I don't think many players mean it when they go into a tackle. It's just mistimed. But they VAR'd it and then they never gave it. And I'm like, taking the mick. Cool, no drama, no problema. 2 minutes later, again, ankle high on Declan Rice. You're on a yellow card, mate. Should have seen red for that. At that point, I'm thinking, right, Pep's going to sub him 34th, 35th minute, whatever it may be. Didn't sub him. He then comes out second half. I couldn't believe it. They were poor, though. But all the way through the watch along, I'm sitting there going, they're in second gear. Yeah, they're toying with us. And they were toying with us at times. They were. Yeah, passing out from the back today for our end. Oh, my days. Yeah, statuesque. Yeah, give David Raya something to pass to. You're all standing there like statues. Yeah, when you watch Edison, and I know Edison's been a midfielder previously, but when you watch Edison, you're like, you can see this guy is just nonchalant with it. Yeah, and he messed up a few, put him out of play and whatever. But David Raya, I'm like, boy, a lot of people are going to get onto you if you keep doing this, but I don't think it's his fault. They all look on edge. They all look shook. They all look like, because they have the guy on the touchline, Arteta, micromanaging, windmilling, landing aeroplanes. And it's like, bro, come on, man. But, before you lot all go toxic and negative in my comments, yeah, big up to that manager, because he brought Martinelli on at half time. Listen, I love Trossard with all my heart. I think he's our best player. Yeah, and I know a lot of you disagree. Oh, and you'll go off of recency bias, the last 2 games. Yeah, oh, Kai Havertz has put you in the mud. He got an assist. I turn it in. What, 1 pass? And you lot are that satisfied. Yeah, it shows how far the standards have fallen from these greats behind me. Let's smoke the grape pack. The Henri. The Bergkamp. The Pires. The Vieira. Come on. If you're that easily pleased off of 1 pass, come on. Calma. Tranquilo. Calma. Yeah? Calma. Relax. Yeah, relax. Well done to Kai Havertz. Honestly, well done to Kai Havertz. Well done to Tommy Asu. But the pass from Thomas Partey, why was Tommy Asu so far forward? I don't get it. Why was he in the box? Yeah, that's mad. I'm like sitting there thinking, why is he up there? Right, but fair play. All 4 subs linked up. Partey, Tommy, Havertz, Gabby, go. Golazzo, que golazzo, mi amigo, yeah? Para siempre. My baller, brother. My baller won the game. Yeah, my baller. Big up to Martinelli. Listen, big up to William Saliba. Yeah, absolutely bodied Haaland in that first half. And Haaland, listen, I've seen Saliba catch Mbappe. So I now know that Haaland is quick, right? Because he was gone. Boom. Have some of that shoulder budge, mate. We're not keep back to the North Bank, innit? Yeah, we're not keep back to the North Bank. Yeah, getting the North Bank lower. Right? When they brought Doku on, yeah, I'm not going to go down this negative Zinchenko route. You know my feelings on him. When they brought Doku on, I've said all week, Pep's got anything about him, he puts Doku on Zinchenko's side. First time, 1-on-1, in the penalty box, fair play Zinchenko. You won the ball. You then won it again the second time, and then he puts Doku on the left side, the left wing for them, and you get self for Tommy. Tommy is involved in the goal, Partey involved in the goal, Havertz involved in the goal, bish bash bosh, Martinelli scores. Yeah, fair play. Listen, it weren't a great game. I don't think we played great. Declan Rice man of the match by a mile for me. But Gabriel Martinelli's got a shout because he scored the winner, albeit deflected. Tommy Asu's been brilliant for the last 3 appearances he's made. I thought that Gabriel Magalhaes and Saliba dealt with everything that came at them. Yeah, the fact they subbed off Alvarez, I was shocked. Yeah, they tried everything today. without trying everything City. It was almost like they didn't want to lose the game. We didn't want to lose the game. A draw probably would have been fair, if I'm being honest. Having said that, a draw would have been fair in a lot of games against Man City. And we've ended up losing. It's an F a minute. Yeah. Ultimately, I'm going to have a little bit of pigeon chest. Yeah. AAA cups and that. I'm going to have a little bit of pigeon chest for the next 48 hours. And then I'm going to go, cool. Here's what it is. Let's move on to Chelsea after the international break. However, I did say this the other day. Wouldn't it be ironic and typical Arsenal if we do the double over City this season and they still end up doing this to a title? Here's what it is. You ain't wiping this smile off of my face, though, for the next 48 hours. We move, baby. I hate that phrase, but we're here. We outside. That's another one I don't like, but it is what it is. Listen, Kenny Ken's coming up. Jez, Matty, and Brandon. Make sure you check out It's LB. Fan cam's already dropping. We're going player rating straight after that. I'm actually buzzing because I didn't expect it, and when you don't expect it, always tastes amazing. We out of here, people. Yeah, go and watch my reaction to the goal and tell me I'm fake fan, you weirdos, you mutants. Adios, amigos, yeah? Ciao.